My name is Chase Harris. I am the Live Sound 1, Live Sound 2, and AV Tech teacher. When I went here, did not think I was going to be a live sound guy. I was going to be a studio rat. Do nothing but record artists in the studio. And I've done just about everything, but I really love being able to see students that are hungry for the knowledge of learning music and audio, film and video, and being able to help them gain the knowledge they need for not only live sound or AV tech, but for whatever it is they actually want to pursue in life. I tell as many students as possible, come in hungry, ready to learn, show up to class, don't know what you're doing, ask, have a real thirst for what you're doing.
Are you interested in learning more about music production, songwriting, audio post-production, live sound audio, mixing and mastering, and more? MediaTech can help you find the right path. At 13300 Branchview Lane, Dallas, Texas, 75234. Now enrolling.